Hey guys, Jim Stroud here, the searchologist, and today I'm going to, hold on one second. Jim Stroud.
Well, I did want to give you the heads up.
What?
Yeah. True USA is not the place to be.
I mean, okay, well, I'm about to shoot a show, so,
well,
I'll
that's
call you
just
back
what
on
I
that.
heard.
Okay. Yeah, bye. That was weird. Okay, on today's episode of the Searchologist... One second. Hello?
Well, I hear you're going to True USA. Is
That's
that
funny.
right?
Somebody else just called me about the same thing. But look, I'm about to do a show. So,
I really don't think that's in your
I'll call
best
you back on
interests.
that. Yeah. This is weird. This never happens in... Hold on. Yes?
Yo, dude, you know about this True USA?
Right, I'm about to do a show.
I don't know about that. True
Right.
USA, you heard about it?
Yeah, let me call you back on that. Yeah, let me call you back on that, 'cause I'm trying to get this show started. Right. True USA. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, true. Got it. Yeah, okay. No, really? No, this is the first time I've heard True USA. Yeah, it's the first time I've... Uh-huh. What is going on? Are people calling you, telling you not to go to True as well? It's bizarre. Let me put the phone on silent here for a second and look into this, because if people are telling me not to go to True USA, I just got to find out, what the deal is. Okay, so I'm looking at, let me put this on the screen. I'm looking here at the USA Tracks, the True USA Tracks, and I see some good stuff. I see Ballad of Bloggers, Being Mobile, Community Building, Culture Clash, Employment Branded, so many different types of so much information out there, and some of the people out there look pretty interesting too. So why are people calling me and telling me not to go to True USA? Because I don't Oh, you know what? As I look through some of the items that I have here, it's starting to come clear to me now. If I attend True USA, I would gather so much information, so much knowledge, that I would have an unfair advantage over my recruiting competitors. Not only that, I could build something so powerful that I could literally take over the world. On second thought, don't come to True. Don't come to True USA. No, really, don't. I don't want you to come. There's already too much competition out there as it is. And if you knew all the stuff that I'm going to learn there, it would make it that much harder for me to compete with you later. So don't come to True. Really, seriously, don't come. Don't come. Don't come to True. Don't make me call you. Hello guys, Jim Stroud here, and today I want to show you how to create a search string. Actually, someone reached out to me via Twitter not too long ago and asked me, Jim, how can I create a search string the way that you do, because he saw something that I put together on the Searchologist. So I figured if one person asked, there may be someone else who may want to know this information, so that's why I'm doing a show on creating search strings today. So, and if you want to send me a question about something that I can perhaps answer in the next episode of the Searchologist, by all means send me a tweet. My Twitter alias is on the screen. Okay, well, this is how I do it. Okay, when I create a search string, the first thing that is on my mind is to get rid of what I call search engine noise. Now, search engine noise is what I call unwanted search results. So, to do that, what I typically start off with is an end title command. As you see here on this, well, let me put on the screen here. Hi. Okay, as you see here on the screen, I start off with the in-title command, typically in-title :resume. Now, I do that because search engines work a lot like spreadsheets, if you can get this analogy. Say you have your search query out there, and the first thing in the search query is, in this example, in-title :resume. So the search engine will look for in-title :resume and create a set of results from that. And then once it has this first set of results, it'll look at the second keyword and then look for the second keyword inside of this first set of results. So because what I'm looking for is a resume, and that's the most important thing to me in what I'm searching for in this case, that's why it's the very first thing in my search string. So typically you'll see in my search strings on the Searchologist and other places where I start off with in-title :resume. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense to you, send me a tweet and I'll do what I can to explain that further. All right. So the second thing I do is what do I do? I put in education, because education is a popular keyword that you find on most, if not all, resumes. The third thing I do is to restrict job descriptions from appearing in my search results. And to do that, I put in -jobs, submit, and apply, because on a job description, it'll usually say job, and it'll say something along the lines of to apply for this job, apply, submit your resume here. So I don't want job descriptions, so I ask the search engines not to give me back any documents that have apply and submit in them. Okay, so after I've done that, the next set of words that I use are to push away sample resumes. That's why I will put in my search string -sample or -template, because I find that those are usually associated with resume samples and resume templates. So that's why those are there. Okay, so once I have done that, that's when I put in keywords relevant to the resume that I'm trying to fill. In this case, programmer. So I'm going to do a search like this that you see on the screen there. So so again, this is just to refine my search results so I don't get a lot of unwanted search engine results. That's a tongue twister for some reason. Okay, so now once I reviewed those searches and I've looked through them like this, and I say, okay, this is pretty good, but I still want to experiment with more search strings. Why? Well, search engines typically, when you do a search, they'll say here are hundreds or here are thousands, usually thousands. Here are thousands upon tens of thousands of results for you. But no matter the search engine, from what I've seen, they only give you the first 1,000 results. So if what you're looking for is result 1001, and you won't be able to get it with the one search string that you're using, so I experiment with different different search strings so I can get to those results that are 1001 and beyond. That makes sense? Hopefully it does. All right, this is, for some reason I'm thinking I'm not making sense today. I don't know. I'm rambling. I do that sometimes. Anyway, here are some examples of some search strings that I use with the in-title command. As you see here on the screen, in-title, well, I tell you, they're right there. Okay, so then once I've experimented with those, I then also experiment with other keywords that are popular with resumes, such as objective and summary and references. Sometimes I throw in hobbies, but not really. But objective, summary, or references. And then last but not least, I throw in additional keywords that are relevant to the particular skill set I'm looking for. In this case, C++ and Java. So that's what I do. Oh, hey! Reading the latest issue there. Okay, that concludes this show, and I want to leave you with something very profound, but I don't know what that would be because I'm having a mind fart, and I can't remember what I was going to say at the end of the show, so I'll just say bye. So, bye.